Hey guys, how's it going? How to save parking spot in Google Maps. So first of all, go ahead to your Google Maps, all right? And basically, you can click on your location right here and click save parking if there is a parking in your location, and you're gonna see how long you can save or how long can you park in that place, for example, right? But in our case, since we are living in a different area, basically there is no time limit. You could just go ahead and simply search for parking right here, parking location, and basically type it, and basically you're gonna see multiple basically parking lots on on that location, and basically you're gonna be able to park whenever you want. So basically right here, let's say for example I want to go to this parking spot, right? You're gonna be able right here to see this parking spot is public, so you don't have to register or you don't have to book for that parking, right, or save it. But if you want to save it, or if you want to know the direction, just go ahead and hit that direction, and you're gonna know from point A to B how to get there. And if you want to save the parking spot, just go ahead and hit save right here, and you're gonna be able to see the trip. All right, so basically that's it. All right, and basically you're gonna be able to get back to it later and just go ahead to the parking spot. You're gonna find it. As for example, I want to go to this for example, you're gonna be able right here to see open 24 hours. That means that in any time you could just park your car without needing to or without getting a ticket. All right, leave me a comment down below if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.